Welcome to Sajjan Education Hub. Real number important questions. The first question is, two positive integer a and b can be written as a is equal to x cube y square and b is equal to xy cube. Xy are prime number. Find LCM of a comma b. Here they have given a and b. We should find LCM of a and b. This question will be asked for 1 mark. Or if they asked us to find LCM and HCF, they will give for 2 marks. Now, second question. Prove that root 5 is irrational. This question I was asked for many times. Now, they can also give in this way. Prove that root 5 is irrational, or they can give, if root 2 is given irrational number, then prove that 5 minus 2 root 2 is an irrational number. Okay? This question will be given for 3 marks. This question will be given for 2 marks. Both the procedure is same. Now, fourth question. Check whether 6 power n can end with digit 0 for any natural number n. This question will be given for 2 marks. They will change the number here. Instead of 6 power n, they can give 9 power n or 5 power n like that. Okay? Now, fifth question. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:3 and their LCM is 180. What is the HCF of these numbers? Here they have given two numbers are in the ratio 2:3. They have given two numbers and they have given LCM also. From this we can use the formula LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers and find the HCF. Sixth question. Given that HCF of 306, 657 is 9, find LCM of 306, 657. Here they have given two numbers as well as HCF. If we use the formula HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers, we can find LCM. Okay, this will be asked for 2 marks. Now, next question is, find LCM and HCF of 26 and 91 and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Here we have to find LCM of 26 and 91 as well as HCF of 26 and 91, and also we have to verify this formula. This will be asked for 2 marks. Next, 8th question. Find the LCM of smallest prime and the smallest odd composite natural number. Here, if you know the meaning of prime number and composite number, you can find the LCM very easily. This will be asked for 2 numbers. Now, 9th question. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. Here also, if you know the definition of composite number, here you can explain it easily. This will be also asked for 2 marks. And sometimes they may give the statement problem like this. Okay, here in this statement problem, you have to just find the LCM. If you find the LCM, that will be the solution. These are the real numbers, 10 important questions.